Привет, друзья! Как дела? Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome to the Russian channel. Today we are going to learn about Russian noun plural forms. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and follow us in media sites. And see our website as well, Starusian.com. To learn about how to make the nouns plural, you need to remember certain patterns, and we divided them according to the gender. Let's remember there are 3 of them: masculine, feminine, and neuter. So the first pattern are the nouns which ends with consonant. So you just add "ы" sound and you have a plural form. Студент, студенты, that's students. Журналист, журналисты, it's a journalist. Инженер, инженеры, engineers. The second pattern are the nouns which ends with "y" sound. So "y" transforms into "и". Музей, музеи. Герой, герои. The last pattern are the nouns which end with soft sign. So soft sign turns into "и". Автомобиль, автомобили. Словарь, словари. And before we move on, so let's see the numbers from 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's continue. Let's have a look at the feminine gender patterns. When a noun ends with "а" vowel, it turns into "ы" sound. Актриса, актрисы, that's an actor. Машина, машины. Женщина, женщины, that's a woman. But don't forget that even мужчина, it belongs to the masculine gender, but anyway it ends with "а", so it follows to the same pattern. Мужчина, мужчины, that's a man. Папа, папы. The next pattern are the nouns which end with "я", which turn into "и" sound. Неделя, недели. Тетя, тети, that's aunts, as you remember. And again, дядя, дяди. So the next pattern is the nouns which end with "ия" vowels. "Ия" turns into "и". История, истории, that's stories. Фамилия, фамилии, that's a surname. The nouns which end with soft sign turn into "и" sound, like тетрадь, тетради, it's a copybook. Карусель, карусели. And don't forget that there is also a spelling point and something that you must remember, that you can't write "ы" sound after such letters like k, g, z, sh, sh, ch, h. Even if it should come after, according to the rule. So you see, учебник, учебники. Книга, книги. Еж, ежи. карандаш, карандаши, борщ, борщи, мяч, мячи, орех, орехи. So let's continue with neuter gender. So when noun ends with O sound, it turns into A when it concerns the neuter gender. So письмо becomes письма. Место, места. That's places. And when a noun ends with IE or IE vowel, then IE turns into IA and YE turns into YA sound. Здание, здания. Море, моря. And guys, that's all for today's lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it and learned a lot about regular forms of Russian plural. Don't forget to follow us everywhere, and your home task will be in description below, so do it, and later we will check it as well. Bye bye, see you.